So I'm going to remove the housing because we have another leak. After how many years of another leak? So I'm going to try to get a video of what's in there. Let me just pause this. Okay, so there's the drip tray that I'm going to have to pull out of the back. Right there. Access panel, just taking off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe a few more down at the bottom, 6, 7. Okay, so panel coming off. Notice the hose is in that little gap there. Right, so it seems like it's falling off. Nothing really to clip onto. Dirty as all hell. I'll get this cleaned up. So this seems to be a little different than the YouTube video. There's the drip tray. There is the right there's the end of the housing for the filter. You can see the 2 hoses. And there's the top part there, so it comes in around that side there. So I'm thinking this metal housing's got to come off with those 2 screws, which is going to release that. It's a little different than the YouTube video I've got. I took out these 2 screws, which are a little different than the other ones I took out of those 2 holes holding in that bracket there. Okay, so just to show the alignment of clip coming off, and the other one's pretty much the same with the ridges on top. Now we're going to disconnect the water line there, which leads right to the filter housing there, and it's the bottom one as it's facing that way. So the short hose, as you can see, is hooked up to the bottom. Right. Okay. Okay, so unlike the video on YouTube, I had to remove this bracket at the front to be able to get the drip pan out. That's all I need. So the drip pan came out, but it had to go sideways. It had to bend it a little bit. So we'll have to put it in on an angle kind of like that-ish. Tilt it in and then go underneath the hoses once I replace everything. Okay, so contrary to the YouTube video, this was not easy to get out. There's a little lip there in the plastic that fits inside this little groove, and you have to lift it out to get it to seat properly, because that's what snaps in.